everybody, it's Kayla here, and today we have a special unboxing right here. Right in this box is a primal monster truck, and we're going to unbox this. So yeah. So we have two big boxes here. Did somebody say primal monster truck? RC Squirrels, what are you doing here? Well, how could we miss such an amazing occasion to unbox the primal monster truck? Isn't that right? Yes, it is. Alright, let's do this thing! Woo! Alright, so my dad is going to start unboxing it.
Whoa. Look at that.
That's pretty cool.
Here's the stickers.
Raminator.
Ooh.
Ooh. What's this? It's the same thing. Alright. What about this one? It's Primal RC.
Okay.
Alright. 1, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's a monster truck, alright.
Yeah.
Hey, look at the tires. Look at these things. Show 'em. Whoa, that's crazy.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a little bit of weight to it. So, here you go. I'm gonna see it.
Oh, do you need the other one?
Oh, this.
Wow, that's like, this thing is like insane.
Feet of strength. That's pretty much one box. One box is done. Let's get it lowered. You good? Or it's gone? Okay. Under. It's basically longer than my arm. Oh, my what's there? Longer. And the tires are bigger than my hand.
We have box number 2.
Box number 2.
Alright.
Can't see it. It's down below. Here it is. Okay. Go. It's dark.
More boxes.
Yay,
All right.
more boxes.
Let's see what's in it.
Open it up.
Whoa. The axles.
Axles.
What's that?
There it is.
Man, that's
Oh, I like that.
that's crazy.
Very shiny.
Yes. This here. Here's the shocks.
Beautiful shocks.
Sway bar links. Set of gears.
Nice.
That's for the gear, I think.
Oh, this.
Oh.
So here's the front axle.
Brake lines.
Brake lines.
cables. The big bad front axle with the servos. Very nice.
There it is. Oh, that's smooth. That's nice. It's very shiny. So this right here is aluminum, and it's really smooth and shiny. It's really nice.
Brakes.
We got brakes here. What are these? Oh, same thing?
Yeah. Ooh, drive shafts.
Drive shafts. Nice. They have a little weight to them. That's for sure. Oh man, my finger.
Did it go?
Yeah. Let's see what's in here.
Hey Dan, you missing a box cutter?
Oh no, he left a box cutter here.
That's right, we'll have to give it to you next time we see you, right?
Yeah. If you're watching this, Dan, we'll give it to you. Don't worry.
Empty box.
It's probably empty too.
So what else is in the box?
So we have 2 tires. Let's see if I can grab it. There it is.
Let's open one.
Oh my gosh, okay. Wow, that's nice. Feels squishy. Is it bigger than my head?
It's definitely bigger.
Yeah. This is a tire. It's a really big tire. Here it is. Oh my gosh, look how big this tire is. Oh, hiccup. Okay, this tire is so big. Like, look at that. I could fit in here. I could sleep in here. Oh, it's cozy. So yeah, that's the tire. I like it a lot. How about you? Yes, I like it a lot. I could fit in here. How about you? Barely. I'm getting out. Ugh. Ah, I did it. Yay. Ah! What happened to you? Come back. So we want to give out A big shout out to Eastside RC. Big shout out to Foundry RC, that's Gary. And shout out to John Bottigel. We want to give a huge shout out to Dan and Irene from Primal RC.
Yeah, that's right. An extra big shout out to Dan and Irene for seeing this project through and bringing this amazing piece of machinery to people to enjoy. This is an absolute dream come true, to say the least.
Dan and Irene. Thanks, Dan and Irene. Woo! Thanks for watching. Make sure you give a big thumbs up to this video. And if you like monster trucks, make sure to subscribe to see more. And thumbs up this video. Bye! What do I say again? Oh my gosh.